Hey Karthike,
Oh, hi, how are you, Vikram?
only you and me, huh?
Yeah, it's like,
So you're in Bangalore, right? Now as well?
हाँ हाँ अभी तो कंपनी चेंज कर लिया ना
कौन से में था?
मैं केपीएमजी में था।
नहीं नहीं अब।
अभी मैं इन्फोसिस में हूँ और अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस के लगा।
अच्छा, इन्फी ज्वाइन
हाँ
कर ली।
हाँ हाँ।
अच्छा तो एआई इन्फी में कर रहा है।
नहीं, एआई नहीं है, ये गोलैंड है। गोलैंड।
अच्छा।
गोलैंड माइक्रो सर्विसेज। वो अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस का नया नया कुछ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आया है, काफका और ये सब।
हम्म। सही है। अभी अपना वही यार इवेंट प्लान कर रहे हैं जो दिसंबर वाला है।
हाँ हाँ
तो 6 तारीख को करना है।
हाँ। वो एक जो रिकॉर्डिंग लेना है, एक बार प्लीज मिलवा
हम्म।
दीजिए इस पर। स्पीकर ले लेता हूँ।
उससे बात कर लेना, बंदे से मैंने कनेक्ट किया था ना।
हाँ, एक एक बार थोड़ा याद दिला दीजिए मेरे को, कहाँ पे था वो, कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है?
कौन सा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप?
हाँ, आप जो कनेक्ट कर रहे थे वो कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर रहे थे ना?
हाँ मेरे ख्याल से उसको किया था शायद ना।
हाँ, चेक कीजिए प्लीज।
देखता हूँ। I've sent, hey, so probably over that itself you can connect with him.
किस पे?
हाय भेजा था मैंने उस वाले ग्रुप में अभी। तो हे लवल। हेलो। हाय लवल। Lawal, if you're speaking, you are on mute. Would you like to, say something? Hello? Lawal, you are there?
Hello,
Yeah, hi, Lawal.
good morning. I'm from Nigeria, Africa.
Oh, hey. Great to have
Yes,
you.
thank you. So I applied to this link from Linux. I'm trying to learn Linux, so I applied for to attend the conference and listen to people to understand what this community is more about.
Sure. So, but this is about, this is, LFDT, Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust. And, this is the India community for it. And
Yeah.
actually, this is about, blockchain and Web3 majorly. So that is what, we do, engage with people, engage with, different companies over this. And we promote, adoption of blockchain and Web3 through various learning initiatives or events and other means that whichever way we can facilitate or participate.
Oh, yes, that's true. So I actually had interest in Block 3 also. So I reviewed Besu I don't know
Mm-hmm.
if you know Besu.
Yeah,
I
yeah, we do.
reviewed Firefly, CLI,
Mm-hmm.
Indie Node,
Mm.
and Cacti.
And sorry.
Cacti.
Oh, cacti. Yes.
Yeah, Cacti, yes.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes.
So what are your thoughts today? What are you will what is what is it that you are willing to take away from this meeting?
Okay. So I actually want to be a contributor on Besu
Mm-hmm.
because that's my that's what, but I don't know how to go about it. So I feel like joining this community will make me to understand a bit more about the community. So
Correct. Yeah.
like listening to people can give me more insight about what the community is about and what they think about the what they think about the community. So listening actively will make me to understand better about what it all entails.
True. So for Besu, I believe, if you are interested, there are, always, some key, some low-hanging fruits are always there, which you can, probably start contributing towards. And you should, probably, have you joined, the Discord?
Yes, yes, I've joined the Discord. I joined Besu Discord.
Yeah. So I believe, the best way, to begin would be one to, engage with community over there, a bit more. Second, pick up some, good first issues, right? And
Okay,
that would be, a beginning point. And then, if you believe that, you want to, participate more, or, you want to contribute more, you can always do that, through that.
okay. Thank you for your time.
Hi Vikram, hi Lovell, hi Karthik.
Hey, Garima.
Hi. So Vikram, are you editing or like what are the agenda we are discussing today for that?
Yeah, so the agenda for today, I guess, the major agenda is, the upcoming event that we're planning.
Okay.
So the 6th of December, is was the date, right? So we are planning towards it. So and probably, we need to finalize the list of people who are going to, speak at the event, and also the agenda. So what I can do is I can probably prepare an agenda, and we'll keep the agenda light, and have, leave room for, plenty of discussions, and rather than having plenty of sessions, I think, that way everyone gets to, engage and, connect. So we'll do that, we'll plan it out that way. And in terms of location, we haven't got any location elsewhere, so probably, we'll do at the same, like, similar
Last
like we
question.
did last time.
Okay.
Right. So we'll host it over there. And so me and Kamlesh, got together, and, so we also finalized at least, one of the sponsors, who will at least, sponsor.
That is I think Dhive you're talking or anybody else also because last time I
No, no,
spoke to
not Dhive, not Dhive. So this was, there is a layer one blockchain. So they were, they were interested, and, we'll be leveraging them for.
Okay, I think that I got it. There are two layer ones which we can talk.
Hmm.
Okay, so there will be I think from Pune only one more layer one. They are interested. We are speaking to them. Okay, so the like speaker list everything is finalized or we have to finalize it.
No, we have to finalize rest everything. And, I'll prepare the agenda, but we need to finalize the speakers. I'll also, reach out to a couple of speakers, based out of Bangalore itself. They are, analysts. So I'll reach out to them, and, see that, if they can join us, and, they can be the panelists. I believe, that's the most favorite kind of, activity that, they would be interested in. So we'll do that. Uh,
Okay, so
couple of
if do you have the list of speakers or we have to finalize that
No,
still?
we have to finalize the list of speakers. We want to finalize that.
Okay, you can share the list. We can go through it, and I think a lot of people are applied also on the sheet. The sheet we have circulated over the LinkedIn earlier.
Awesome. That, yeah, that then it's great. let's finalize among them. Then let's have a connective session, and then we can go over the people who have applied.
And go to find the agenda also. I think two, three panels, then some keynote, and the sponsor will have a keynote. And what else?
Yeah,
We
I'll do that.
yes,
I'll get started with it. I'll publish a draft, and then we can take it forward and see what changes we need to make.
yes, yes. So we can distribute responsibility also so that we can plan accordingly.
Hmm.
It will be during India Blockchain Week only. I think India Blockchain Week is second and third. Let me check the India Blockchain Week in Bangalore.
So sixth is when we are planning.
Okay, so just after the India Blockchain Week. It is all, okay. It is from 1 to 7. So it will be between the India Blockchain Week.
That's why, na.
Yeah.
It's blockchain week, na. So that's why.
So we can get some good speakers as well because that time a lot of good people will be there around the city.
Hmm.
So we can speak to them also.
I think both come. Maybe we should start floating the forms if we can.
Yeah, you should start talking to the people.
Time both.
The form to we had circulated, a while back,
Mm-hmm.
and Garima is saying that we have got some good number of people who have applied for the speaker position.
Mhm.
The sheet is Kamlesh, I think, or maybe the on our email that sheet is there.
Hmm.
So we can check the sheet also. Or else anything this is the last activity of the year, then next year we can plan something else. Or I think this is the last activity of the year for the LFDT or anything else is pending from our side for this year.
No, this is the last one.
Okay, this is the last one. That's
Yeah.
good.
This is always the last one.
That will be good. So we can plan accordingly. So if the sixth is finalized, okay.
Yeah, sixth is finalized. So, I've got the confirmation on the venue as well.
Okay.
I just have to, book it formally.
Yeah, just book it probably same venue. So maybe the same day agenda will be there. So I think Julian's also coming or not coming this time.
So Kamlesh is going to write to Julian. We'll know more then.
Yeah, okay. Because I spoke to Julian last week about something else. So that
Hmm.
time he was planning for FinTech Festival Singapore.
Fintech Singapore.
Yeah, he is there. FinTech Singapore.
Hmm.
Dudley and Julian both are
Then
there.
you are there, yeah.
It is going on right now. So
Yeah.
we are planning for that. Because I was having some issue in the Besu, so I spoke to Julian. Besu is having a lot of issues. I was working on the Besu, so found some big issues in Besu.
Like?
Like they don't have private transactions. They have
Hmm.
deprecated that last year, and still there's no solution for that. So
Hmm.
I built a blockchain on a Besu right now, no? So
Hmm.
bank. So there we are facing some issues. So I spoke to Julian and a lot of committee people that time. So he told me that they are busy with the Singapore FinTech Fest.
So who's doing the steering committee now? Technical oversight committee.
For the Besu, there is a working group. I dropped my query into working group, but I didn't get the response properly. Last working group meeting also I've joined, and I wrote the CTO of LFDT also that there are some big issues on the basis because we implemented and certainly stopped supporting and deprecated, and there's no like you can say update on GitHub code from past 1 year about that private transactions.
Hmm.
I figured out something and modified some code at my end, and now find the solution. But it should be online. If it is possible that I can contribute also about my solution, what I figured out in last 1 month.
Hmm.
So that's what
Do they have an answer that why?
I don't know because earlier it was Tasera was deprecated and they didn't like they announced what Bevel. Bevel is still not supporting that one. I don't know.
Hmm.
After that, why they didn't push the new updated code there? Those answers the technical committee should know better.
Hmm.
We use the basic framework and build the layer one blockchain for a bank, and we face some issues. So I was trying to figure out the solutions for that time. So I figured out myself. So if it worked perfectly for the bank, then I will contribute later to the code. That's what I'm doing because I'm promoting Besu to a couple of banks right now.
Hmm.
Besu is layer one.
And base two definitely makes sense.
Yeah, Besu for the private block like layer one blockchains makes sense, but still there are a lot of issues because when you implement technically, I'm
Hmm.
implementing it with a couple of banks right now,
Hmm.
and almost five layer ones I have built around on Besu in past couple of months. Only with the bank I face a problem with the private transaction when I was working on a tokenization use case with the bank.
I think that was pretty important as well, right?
Yeah,
Without that, anyone who needs confidentiality doesn't really consider it properly. Then, right?
yeah. Private transaction are must for the bank. You
Correct.
can disclose the transaction data from one bank to another bank. Like each node should have independent data. Like it should not be shared. There are some use cases with the bank. So like that, there's a new framework called Paladin. Paladin right now I'm
Hmm.
implementing. Paladin again is a LFDT product. So for the privacy framework, I'm trying to combine Paladin and Besu. I'm trying to execute that node. So if it will work out, then I will contribute something to the code as well. But there are Besu is a really good one.
Paladin, was it like contributed by Kaleido?
I think it's a Kaladi only Paladin.
Hmm. Like they have contributed, right?
Yeah, yeah. I will share the detail if you want to. You're interested to know more. I will share the detail personally with you. So I'm
Hmm.
working on that right now. From since 2 days, we are working sleeplessly on Paladin
Hmm.
because we have deadline.
I'm
As
also looking for good resources in digital asset and layer one.
what exactly you have in layer one and digital asset?
Basically, I may layer one is still coming up. I'll know the details soon. For digital assets, basically there is a bank looking to implement digital asset. Digital asset is in DAML.
Yes, yes, yes.
So they want to implement digital asset as well as integrate with to allow their customers to trade crypto and do the staking.
Yes, yes. So digital asset framework you have something you implemented or implementing right now.
So bank wants to do that, so they need people.
Yeah, even we are expert in that. So I told you I'm working with a couple of banks right now, and digital asset tokenization is my main strength. So I build a lot
Digital
of use
asset is in
cases.
DAML.
What?
DAML digital asset.
Okay,
It's
Damal
a
I know.
company.
So Damal I know. So you're working with Damal.
Yeah, with Canton. I
Okay,
have a couple of people, but need more.
okay,
So basically, bank is looking for people. They want to do
okay.
it themselves. They just need people. So they are looking for architects and all.
Some resources they're looking.
Hmm.
Okay, we can speak about that
Hmm.
because Damal also I know very well. Digital asset trading platform mainly the Damal used for the trading and staking and then DeFi products for the banking.
No, DAML may. I don't think staking and
It's
trading is
actually
there.
language like you can combine with that was the solidity and आपका similar way they have different framework open source it
I
is
know
open.
I've implemented DAML in the past.
Mm-hmm. Smart
I've done
contract
that. But DAML has the Canton network.
Canton network is there but like it's a kind of smart contracts like we can say framework or the workflow when you write about the digital assets.
Correct. So they have so they have Canton network, and that is
As
a
you know, I
network
know.
that that's where they want to uh, you know uh, put some of the their transactions and digital assets, and then additionally they want the this capability which I was talking about.
Yeah, Canton network is basically for the privacy. Their developer docs
Like
I have seen earlier when I was working with some other project that time I was worked on that.
it, it's not really a pure blockchain.
No, no, it's not a pure blockchain, but
Hmm.
you can say at the back end you have a lot of stuff to play around with the Canton.
Hmm.
So it's a good one. Canton is not a bad one. It's a good one for the financial applications. Like DAML मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया, but I have used it for
हाँ, वो
some
ज्यादा किसी ने भी नहीं किया हुआ, वही वाली पानी है।
क्योंकि उसका ज़रूरत पड़ा नहीं है ना अभी इतना।
हम्म।
If you need it, then you do it more. अब कैंटोन का जो कैंटोन का है, कैंटोन के साथ में आप डैमल को ज़्यादा यूज़ करोगे, उसका शेल यूज़ करोगे, सब यूज़ करोगे, बट इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड दैट मच। अगर हमारा हो रहा है वर्क इज डन बाय समथिंग एल्स, दैट इज बेटर।
नहीं, वो कस्टमर ने कुछ पीओसी वगैरह करी है ऑलरेडी। Now they want to go big bang, and they have their eyes set on Canton network.
कैंटोन इज अ गुड वन।
They want to onboard Canton network, implement it.
Okay, I got it now. Like few days back, one of my like client asked me to build a layer around the Canton network, and his chain was Canton chain, Cantor chain.
Hmm.
So I remember now. So why he was looking for that one. Okay, I got it now.
So for this, I'll share an agenda, and then let's finalize the speakers, I believe.
Yeah, sure. We can finalize the speakers and we can work around there. If
Hmm.
there anything else to discuss, we can discuss offline also. Like even regarding the like tokenization, I will discuss something with you also separately.
Hmm. ठीक है जी, बताना अगर कुछ हो ना।
Paka, done. Because I'm working with a lot of wealth management companies right now, so everybody big wealth management company want to come into tokenization space. Okay, okay. Then you can update the GitHub. Vikram, you will update the GitHub or should I?
आप ही कर दो, बढ़िया है।
ये मेरे को लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा। आईडी याद नहीं है मुझे मेरा।
मुझे तो एक्सेस भी नहीं है।
हाँ, अच्छा, मेरे पास भी नहीं याद है। Remember. Let me check if I have. Let me give me a second. Let me check if I have the access. I will try. Because most of the time, like Anusuya is doing or someone else is doing.
Hmm.
Anusuya is also traveling today.
This link didn't work for you?
Which one?
The link that I shared?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. It doesn't work for me.
No, the link that I shared.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know what happened.
The moment I click, it takes me to the right place.
I don't know.
I've been using this link the day, they created this bridge.
I don't know what happened. Let me LFDT repository. I'm not able to find out. I don't know. Something is wrong. LFDT repository. I'm not able to find out.
Okay.
So we have to check it.
Karthik, would you be able to do that?
Karthik, can you please check?
हाँ मेरे पास तो एक्सेस है।
Yeah, will you be able to
यहाँ पे
put the notes, meeting notes for today?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है।
Okay. Thanks, mate. Okay. In that case, I'll drop off. You guys can continue.
Even I will drop off. So Karthik, please update the GitHub because I'm trying. I don't have that one.
हाँ ओके आई डू दैट।
Okay. I got it. I think I have the access, but I edit I am not able to do. So Karthik, you have to do it. Okay. I'm dropping Karthik. You can continue. Thank you.